You've seen those books where the pages are divided into sections and you can make funny pictures by combining the top section, middle section and bottom section of different pictures? Well, you can do the same sort of thing with a mobile. You can make a body mobile starting with just a sheet of cardboard, felt pen and a cup. Now you use the cup to mark out the head. Doesn't matter what size the circle is, but that's a pretty good size to start with. And then you'll make a rectangle which is a little bit larger than the circle, and then make yourself a square which is a little smaller than the circle. Then make yourself two legs. Now the actual sizes aren't critical, but they should look something like that. Do it carefully, cut them out, and you'll end up with these sections: head, upper part of the body, lower part of the body and legs. Before you go any further though, you need to adjust something in the upper part of the body. Place the lower part over the upper part, and you'll notice of course that I made it wide because the arms fit in this position here. So what you do is to make those marks there and then cut it out so that you actually have arms poking down the side of the lower part of the body. It just makes it a little bit more interesting when it spins around if you make it in that way. There it is. That's the basic structure of the mobile. Now you start marking it out. Where can you start? Anywhere you like. I'll start with the face. And on one side, I'll mark a man's face. Eyes and eyebrows, nose, I'll give him a moustache, smiling mouth, little ears there, just a little bit of hair, bald head, and cheeks and chin. There he is. On the other side, mark something very different. Maybe a man who looks quite different from this one, or if you want to, you can mark a woman, which I've done here. And then you do the same thing with the other parts of the body. Now I've already drawn two parts of the man's body. There you are, you can see he's wearing a suit and tie. And on the other half, the woman's body, upper and lower part. And do the same sort of thing with the legs. Then take a needle and cotton and very carefully make little holes in the centre of each of those pieces. Push the needle through, push it down and up through the next part and tie it off with a reef knot. And you'll find that the two parts can hang and swivel quite neatly. When you're finished, you'll end up with a person who may look something like this. If you want to, you can use animals, maybe a dog on one side, cat on the other, or a monkey and a giraffe, anything you like. There we are. The only thing that remains to be done is to find a spot in the house where you can hang it. Now you may be able to hang it under a light fitting or from the ceiling. I have a long piece of cotton thread here and I've tied a loop and I can see the spot just over there where I can hang it. It's great if you can hang it in a place where it gets plenty of breeze, because then as it spins around you get all sorts of funny combinations.
I want to know